If you want to play advanced level pickleball, the topspin drop is no longer optional. It's essential, but it's also one of the most misunderstood and misexecuted shots in the game. In this breakdown, we'll go through 4 major topspin drop mistakes that are quietly holding players back, and exactly how to fix them. The topspin drop is an offensive shot. That means your body positioning has to support offense. The biggest issue? Contacting the ball too far back. You cannot effectively brush and generate topspin if the ball is behind your body. When the ball drifts behind your hips or shoulders, you lose leverage and spin potential. The correct contact point is out in front of your body, ideally in front of your outside knee. For right-handed players, in front of the right knee. That means your feet must adjust constantly. Whether the ball comes slightly to your right, slightly to your left, short, deep. You move your feet to get behind it so contact stays comfortably in front. This doesn't require huge movement. Often it's small adjustment steps. But when the ball moves more, you move more. Advanced players are always repositioning their feet to protect their ideal contact zone. Many players think more spin comes from covering or rolling over the ball. That works on a hard drive. It does not work on a topspin drop. A topspin drop is a slower, more controlled swing. If you aggressively roll over the ball or close the paddle face, the ball drives downward into the net or loses control entirely. Instead, think. Start slightly under the ball. Brush low to high. Keep the paddle face aimed at your target throughout the swing. You're skinning the back of the ball, not chopping over the top of it. You can finish on the same side of your body or follow through slightly across. Both are fine, as long as the paddle face stays oriented toward your target and does not close. A subtle but important concept. Your follow-through influences your contact. If your follow-through finishes downward or closed, your brain will start closing the paddle before contact, and that's when control disappears. This one is extremely common. Players treat the topspin drop like a drive. Big backswing, big swing, big acceleration. But a true topspin drop is meant to bounce in or very near the kitchen, stay shorter in the court, limit opponent attack options. If you take a large backswing, you naturally swing faster. Even with topspin, that ball will land too deep, often several feet behind the kitchen line. That turns your drop into a mid-court sitter. Instead, use compact backswing. Set the paddle out in front, minimal loading behind the body. Brush forward and up near the contact point. Compact swing equals shorter bounce plus heavy spin plus better control. Especially if your opponents are already established at the kitchen, depth control is critical. A short, heavy topspin drop gives them fewer options and keeps them uncomfortable. This is the mistake that separates intermediate players from advanced ones. A topspin drop is not just a shot, it's a setup. If you hit the drop and stay near the baseline or hesitate moving forward, you waste the entire advantage of the shot. You need 2 things. 1. A target. 2. An aggressive transition forward. Best targets for a topspin drop. 1. Through the middle, forces communication or hesitation, takes away sharp angles, makes speed-ups more predictable, allows your partner to get big in the middle and shut down counters. 2. Sharp cross-court. Forces opponents to reach across their body, creates angles, allows your partner to cover line while you crash middle. Both targets make opponents uncomfortable by forcing awkward contact points. As soon as you recognize you hit a solid topspin drop, swing, move immediately, get forward aggressively, no hesitation. Your partner should also recognize the visual cue of your prepared paddle and move forward with you. If one player crashes and the other stays back, you give opponents too many openings. If you're serious about building a high-level game, master the details that most players ignore. Clean footwork, proper paddle face, compact mechanics, intentional movement. Which mistake were you making the most? Lock it in, clean it up, and start turning your topspin drop into a true weapon.